and welcome back to my YouTube channel MT Tutorial. This is Nushat here and I am teaching you maths of NCERT class 8. So now come to the question exercise 7.2. Question number first. देखते हैं question number first क्या कहता है. Here telling find the cube root of each of the following by prime factorization method. Prime factorization method को use करते हुए हमें we have to find cube root. हमें cube root find करने हैं. I told you in my introduction class that we can find cube root by prime factorization method. Prime factorization method के through हम cube root find out कर सकते हैं. So let's see. First one is 64. सबसे पहले क्या है 64. So prime factorization just don't write लिखने की जरूरत नहीं. Here do 64 only. 64. 2 3 जा 6, 2 2 जा 4, 2 16 जा 32, 2 8 जा 60, 2 4 जा 8, 2 2 जा 4, 2 1 जा 2. Got it? Therefore, just look here. Cube root of what? इसका cube root we have to find. Cube root of 64 is equal to how many times 2? 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 times 2. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Thus now we will do grouping. Triplets के हम grouping करेंगे. We have got 1 from this and 1 from this. Okay. Just write here. 64 is equal to this. ओके ये 64 का प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन है. Therefore, the cube root of 64 का क्यूब रूट क्या होगा? क्यूब रूट ऑफ 64 is equal to just you take 2 from this group. इस ग्रुप से एक 2 लेंगे और इस ग्रुप से 1 2 you will also take. So 2 from this group and 2 from this group. 2 2 जा 4. Cube root of 64 is 4. Very easy. There is no any problem. अब if you have to check, अगर आप चेक करना चाहते हो whether your answer is right or not, तो what will you do? You will do its cube. ये तो क्यूब रूट है. अब हम इसके क्यूब करेंगे. Means 4 को क्यूब करेंगे like this. So write down here 4 into 4 into 4. 4 4 जा 16. 16 4 जा 64. It means our answer is correct. This was to check only. इसे हम चेक कर सकते हैं. Got it? Now let's see the second part. अब हम second part देखेंगे. Second part is 512. 2 2 जा 4, 2 5 जा 10, 2 6 जा 12. आप इसे डिवाइड कर सकते हो. 512 को आप 2 से डिवाइड कर सकते हैं. ओके 2 1 जा 2, 2 2 जा 4, 2 8 जा 16, 2 6 जा 12, 2 4 जा 8. Now here 2 1 जा 2, 2 3 जा 6, 2 2 जा 4, 2 16 जा 32, 2 8 जा 16, 2 4 जा 8, 2 2 जा 4, 2 1 जा 2. Okay, so prime factorization हमने देखा. प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन कितनी है इसकी? प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन ऑफ व्हाट? 512. 512 का प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन क्या है? 512 इज इक्वल टू 512 का प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन क्या आता है? हाउ मेनी टाइम्स 2? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 9 टाइम्स 2. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So one group, 2 group and one more 2 here. It means 3 3 is 9. We have 9 here ना? हमारे पास 9 है यहाँ पे. Okay, 2 2 3 groups. We have got here also 3 group. Okay, you know. So therefore, cube root of 512. 512 का क्यूब रूट क्या आया हमारा? Therefore, cube root of 512 is equal to 2 from this one, 2 from this one, 2 from that one. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. we have got 8. Cube root of 512 is 8. And I told you that you can also check your result. आप अपने result को check कर सकते हैं by finding its cube. Means 8 को 3 times solve करो and just multiply it. 8 into 8. Sorry, 8. You will get 512. If you get 512, अगर आपका आंसर 512 आता है, it means your cube root is correct. So now let's see the next part. हम नेक्स्ट पार्ट देखेंगे. That is, यहां से करते हैं so that you can come solution. 175,616. Okay. Once again, 2 से because here it is 2. 1,75,616. So you can do with 2. अब हम 2 से करेंगे because the last one is even. 2 8 जा 16, 2 7 जा 14, 2 8 जा 16, not 2 8 जा 16. Once again with 2 because here is 2 8. 2 4 जा 8, 2 3 जा 6, 2 9 जा 18, 2 9 जा 18 and here is 0. 2 4s are 8. So as it is. 2 4s are 8. Once again with 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2. 2 9s are 18. 2 5s are 10. 2 2s are 4. Once again with 2. 2 1s are 2. 2 9s are 18. 2 7s are 14. 2 6s are 12. आप इसे 2 से डिवाइड कर सकते हैं. ओके, डिवाइड कर लेना. जस्ट लुक वंस अगेन. 2 5s are 10. 2 4s are 8. 2 8s are 16, 2 8s are 16. Once again with 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14, 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are 8. Once again with 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 7s are 14, 2 2s are 4. Once again with 2. 2 6s are 12, 2 8s are 16, 2 6s are 12. Once again with 2. 2 3 are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6. Now it will not go with 2. अब ये 2 से हमारा डिवाइड नहीं होगा. So just look here. Add 2 4 3 4 3 7 7 3 10. Means it's not going with 3 also. 3 से भी नहीं होगा. It means it's going with 7. Just look here. 7. 7 4s are 28. 7 4s are 28. And what's left? अब इसे डिवाइड कर लेना. 6 is left. 7 9s are 63. 7 9s are 63. Once again, 7 7s are 49. 7 1s are 7. Okay. So just look here. Prime factorization. Prime factorization. Of what? 1,25,616 is equal to how many times 2? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 9 times 2. 3 3 6 more 2 times. Okay, 3 9 and 7 3 times 7. और 7 हमारे पास कितने टाइम्स है? 3 times 7. Now here once again grouping. ये भी हमारी 7 का grouping है. So now therefore the cube root of 1,25,616 is equal to, just take from this group 1 2, from this group 1 2, from this group 1 2. तो सभी ग्रुप से एक 2 लेंगे. ओके, एंड फ्रॉम दिस ग्रुप 1 7. इस ग्रुप से एक 7 आएगा. सो 2 2 जा 4, 4 2 जा 8, 8 7 जा 56. 2 2 जा 4, 4 2 जा 8, 8 7 जा 56. Therefore the cube root of, okay, this number means 1,25,616 is what? 56. Got it? Now next one, just look here. अब हम next देखते हैं. Same way we can do. हम उसी तरह से prime factorization करेंगे. 9,000 91,125. 91,125. So just look here. Before doing prime factorization, आप first just look the unit digit. हम unit digit को देखेंगे. It's 5, so it will go with 5. ये 5 है, इसलिए हम इसे 5 से prime factorization first of all करेंगे. 5 1 जा 5. What is left now? 4. 5 8 जा 41. 5 2 जा 10. 5 2 जा 10. 5 5 जा 25. Okay. Once again with 5. 5 3 जा 15. 3 is left. 5 6 जा 30. आप इसे डिवाइड कर सकते हो. ओके. 5 6 जा 30. Now 5 4 जा 20. 5 5 जा 25. Once again with 5. 5 7 जा 35. 5 2 जा 10. 5 9 जा 45. Once again with 5. 5 1 जा 5. 5 2 जा 10. No. No, it will not go with 5. No, it will go with 3. हम 3 से करेंगे. Sorry. Because here 7 2 9 9 9 18. Now it will go with the table of 3. Look here. 3 2 जा 6. 3 4 जा 12. 3 3 जा 9. Once again with 3. 3 8 जा 24. 3 1 जा 3. Once again with 3. 3 27 जा 81. 3 9 जा 27. 3 3 is 9 and 3 1 ja 3. Got it? So just look here. Prime factorization. Prime factorization. Factorization of, okay, 91,125. 125 is equal to, sorry, is equal to how many times 5? 1 2 3 3 times 5. 3 times 5. How many times 3? 1 2 3 4 5 6 times 3. So 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. How many times? This एक और grouping बच रही है, so just write down properly here. 91,125 is equal to 3 times 5, 5 into 5 into 5, 3 times 6 times 3, 3 into 3 into 3, 6 times 3. Now grouping from this group, one this group, one this group. We have got 3 groups. Okay. Therefore, cube root of 91,125 is equal to, just from this one 5, from this one 3, from this one 3. 5 into 3 into 3. 5 3s are 15 and 15 3s are 45. So we have got the cube root of 45. Okay. Means cube root of 91,125 is 45. I hope you are getting, you will be getting this solution very clearly. There will be no doubt. If you have doubt, then you can just go and ask to me in my comment box. Till then, bye bye.